They say getting older means getting weaker, slowing down, shrinking. But I don't buy that because I've seen what happens when you fight back, gently, consistently, and with purpose. Welcome to day 7 of our 7-day beginner plan to reverse muscle loss. And if this is your first video in the series, you're still in the right place. Because today is where we pull it all together. Not just what you learned, but how to turn it into a new way of living. Because let's be honest, we've all worked hard our entire lives. And now, finally, this should be the season to enjoy life, not suffer through it. But what do we get instead? Stiff joints, weak legs, worry about falling, needing help, or losing independence. And worst of all, people tell us it's just aging. But it's not. It's preventable muscle loss, and we don't have to accept it. Let's be real for a moment. If we don't act, if we let muscle loss keep going, here's what happens. Everyday tasks become harder. Your balance gets worse. You avoid stairs, long walks, even leaving the house. You lose confidence. You lose independence. And for some, that leads to assisted living, or even falls that change everything. But the good news? Muscle loss is reversible, even in your 70s or 80s. You've seen it this week. So let's review exactly what habits you now have and how to keep them going. These past 7 days, you've built something powerful, a foundation, not from willpower or perfection, but from showing up. That's what matters most. Let's walk through each habit you've learned and how to keep it alive beyond this week. 1. Eat enough protein. Day 1. You learned how protein fuels muscle repair and prevents breakdown. You don't need to track, just aim for 25 to 30 grams per meal. Tip: keep high protein snacks in your kitchen, like Greek yogurt or boiled eggs, and start each morning with a protein-rich breakfast or shake. I've linked my personal favorite in the description again. 2. Move every day. Day 2. Movement keeps your muscles active and tells your body, we still need this strength. Even a short walk or light routine makes a difference. Tip: set a timer to stand and move every 30 to 60 minutes. Use commercials, phone calls, or meal times as cues to stretch or walk. 3. Support your body with supplements. Day 3. Hydration, magnesium, vitamin D, and post-workout nutrients all fill the gaps that food alone can't always cover. Tip: put your supplements next to your toothbrush or morning tea, so they become part of your daily rhythm. And if you're not sure what to choose, the ones I use are linked in the description. 4. Lower cortisol with mindset shifts. Day 4. You discovered how stress hormones quietly break down muscle, and how breathing, stillness, and rest reverse that. Tip: start each morning with 2 minutes of deep breathing before reaching for your phone or coffee. It sets the tone for calm, strength, and focus. 5. Build strength with gentle resistance. Day 5. You don't need a gym to get stronger, just resistance bands, body weight, or daily function-based movement. Tip: schedule strength days twice a week. Keep your bands visible, in the living room, by your chair, to remind you movement is medicine. 6. Prioritize active recovery. Day 6. You learned that rest isn't laziness, it's essential for growth. Stretching, walking, light chores, even coloring can reset your system. Tip: plan 1 slow day a week. That's your reset. No guilt, just healing. 7. Keep going. Through habits, not motivation. Today. This is the most important one, because motivation fades. But habits, they stick. Tip: use a simple weekly checklist, like the one in the Community tab, and find an accountability buddy, a friend, spouse, or neighbor to check in with weekly. Don't want to do this alone? Leave a comment and introduce yourself. There might be someone else watching this video who's just like you, and you might be the support they didn't know they needed. There is no shame in where you're starting. This journey is normal. What matters is that you refuse to settle. You've made it through 7 days, but this isn't the end. It's the beginning of something bigger. Because your strength story didn't stop at retirement. It didn't stop at 60 or 70 or 80. The truth is, the strongest years of your life might still be ahead, but only if you choose them. You've worked hard, you've taken care of others, and now it's your time. This chapter, right now, is not the beginning of decline. It's the start of freedom, of taking your body back, of doing the things you love without pain, fear, or hesitation. You don't have to settle for weakness. You don't have to accept feeling tired, stiff, or slow. That's not just aging. That's preventable, and you're already preventing it. You're proving that it's never too late to get stronger. In the comments, I'd love to hear about you, your age, your goals, your reason for starting this journey. Not because I need to know, but because someone else might need to see it. They might be sitting at home right now, wondering if it's too late, and then they'll see you. Let's build a community of seniors who aren't settling for decline, but choosing growth, strength, and confidence instead. This full series is available anytime in the playlist on my channel. You can come back to it every month. You can share it with someone you love. And you can keep adding new habits, one by one. You're not alone, and the best is truly yet to come. So take a deep breath, roll your shoulders back, and smile, because you did this. And I'll be right here cheering you on, every step of the way. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you haven't already. New videos are coming soon, and we're just getting started.